Hello, we are Jennifer
and Livia
with the Lotus Lux Partnership. Let us tell you how we're going to create a custom marketing plan to sell your home for top dollar.
We combine traditional brokerage services with high-end customized marketing and specialized online targeting. So we find the perfect audience for you and we market and expose your home to the ideal buyer.
First, we start with your home prep plan. We go room by room, creating a step-by-step action plan to declutter your home, to look and see what we need to do to stage with hard or soft staging. We even look at any repair issues that you've got. Some of the transformations we've done with our listings are simply stunning. We know how to build equity and value into your home. Once your home plan is complete, we bring in the best videographers and photographers to create an exquisite, customized marketing campaign and media asset program for your home.
Not only we showcase your home on a national level, but we also promote it internationally to 600,000 agents in over 19 languages. It does not get better than that.
So why else would you choose us? Well, my background is in real estate for over 20 years. And locally, I have been a licensed real estate broker for over 16 years. I've been featured on House Hunters multiple times, you might have seen me. And my real estate advice has been on Forbes, MSNBC, Fox News. And way back when, I was one of the first early adopters of online marketing before anyone knew that that was going to be a big splash in real estate. So I'm always looking to innovate, and we bring that innovation and creativity to your home. Every home is unique. You can expect top-notch, white glove, concierge style service from us and our team every step of the way.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link below and take the next step so we can meet up and talk about your home.